Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can deposit money on Webull. So this is really quick and easy. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to your Webull account, and then you will go ahead and go to uh, transfer, and then you will have to click deposit, and then after that you will just have to choose your funding method, and then either click bank account or wire transfer. It really depends on you, and then you will just have to enter the deposit amount and follow the instructions to link your bank account if not already linked, and then you will just have to confirm and submit your deposit. And by the way, deposits usually reflect within 1 to 3 business days. And by the way, for app you will just have to do this, and for the desktop one, do this. And for the net web one, what I've said earlier, you will just have to do all those stuffs. So it really depends what device you're using, or where you're using the platform in. So if you're using the app version, then do this. And if you're using the desktop version, then do this. And for the website, you will just have to do this. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.